Okay, as always, safety first. Have your safety glasses on. I wear a leather apron, but an apron, a cotton one, would do. Protect yourself. I might do some voiceover in this video if it doesn't sound right, because I'm putting a mask on. And you'll hear the fan running for the exhaust. Always exhaust your area or have a window open, and wear a mask. So what I have here is I cut out a whole bunch already, and I was in my grandkids' craft box and they had like used stickers, like little heart stickers. So this is the outside. So I figured I could make use of that. So I stuck it on this piece of silver, and we're gonna saw. Always lubricate your saw. I have beeswax here. And make sure it's tight. So I made altered my bench peg here so that I can go in on little tiny spots, like places on especially if you're doing piercing. Okay, now I can move out. Don't want that to lift. When you're sawing, don't look at the blade. I always look about, like if this is here, I always look about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 inch ahead, just like if you were using a sewing machine. Relax your hand. I have a nice handle here. Just relax it. And just up and down, straighten up and down. Of course, keep your fingers out of the way. This is lifting here. Push it down. Why is it doing that? Of course, because you're filming, that's why. Okay. You can use a felt pen. I'm just going to cut that off because it's annoying me. But I find I smudge. What I'm going to do is I'm going to polish them a little bit. This is 1200 grit. I have a damping block. I'll use the smallest one. That looks good. It's got to try emery board. It's okay. So what I'm going to do is put a little bit of a mark on the back here so that the Easy Flow solder paste. I don't know about you guys, but I can never seem to get the solder out of the needle hole for some reason. So this is a 1/2 inch piece of round sterling wire, 20 gauge. All right. Remember, I'm using easy solder so it'll melt fast. Just warm it up a bit. There it goes. See how the pickle pot's doing. Oh, they look like just a little bit longer. A few more minutes. Time for coffee, and then we'll come back. I got them out of the pickle pot. You can do is also to make shapes is use this punch with a butterfly, and use the shelf liner, the white shelf liner, and just punch it out and then pull the tape off and stick it on your metal. You can also order these all pre-done, but if you can do it yourself, why not? So I'm going to, this is a little bit too tilted this way, so gently. And if you find that your gauge wire here, your 20 gauge wire is still too bendy, just keep on doing tappy tappy on it for a few minutes and it will strengthen it. Just going to bend it straight. You can always use your nylon pliers just to tappy tappy like this while you're straightening it out a bit. Just taking my mask off. So if you have a tumbler, which I don't. It's all my Christmas sweater. If you have a tumbler, you can put this in a tumbler. I'm just using the 1200 sandpaper again. I'm going to just use this for a bit, and then I'll get my flex shaft and You just want to get in there. I love this soft, it's in the auto department, rubberized sandpaper. You can wash it and of course save your water and let it evaporate because there's all your silver stuck in it. You can recycle. Okay, I think I got most of that there. And just about 1/4 inch here, just gently put, you got your pliers here with like a little cutting thing, but you don't going to push down hard. So just a little bit and just turn it. See? There you go. Got a stopper there. What you can do is felt pan the other one so they're all the same. So I'm just going to finish cleaning these up and I'll show you the finished product. I rub my wheel on my leather apron to clean it when it gets kind of dark. And it takes off gunk. See, I have my burr remover here. It's got a little cup. And I'm going to put it on here. Too much coffee today. Bifocal readers on here. Bring in the, see if I can see any. Yeah, it's right there. I'll try this. Looks pretty good. So there's the stud finished. And of course you just put a backing on. It's a little bit I'm going to just move it just a little bit. There we go. So, if you enjoyed watching my video on how to make a heart stud earring, give it a thumbs up and comment. Don't forget to tell me where you're from. So you all take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.